Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today's topic is physical database design and components of physical database design. Physical database design. Physical database design is the last step of database design process. Physical database design can be defined as the conversion of logical data model or relational model into actual database structures like files, stored procedures, and indexes. Major inputs to physical database design. There are three major inputs to physical database design: logical database structures, user processing requirements, and characteristics of DBMS. Logical database structures. These are developed during logical database design, such as normalized relations. User processing requirements. It includes size and frequency of the use of database, response time, security, backup, and recovery. Characteristics of DBMS. It includes characteristics of DBMS and other components of computer operating environment. Components of physical database design. First component of physical database design is data volume and its usage. In physical database design, the first important issue is the estimation of size or volume and usage pattern of database. Estimation of database size is used to select physical storage devices. It is also used to estimate the cost of storage. The estimation of usage patterns are used to select the file organization and access methods. It is also used to plan for the use of indexes and to plan a strategy for data distribution. Data distribution strategies. Many organizations today have distributed computer networks. These organizations face data distribution problems in physical database design. They have to decide the sites in the network at which data will be located physically. There are four main data distribution strategies: centralized, partitioned, replicated, and hybrid. Centralized. In this strategy, all the data is located at a single site. Partitioned. In this strategy, database is divided into partitions or fragments. Replicated. In this strategy, full copy of database is assigned to more than one site on the network. Hybrid. In this strategy, database is partitioned into critical and non-critical fragments. File organization. File organization is a third component of physical database design. File organization is a technique for storing data on secondary storage devices so that it can be retrieved easily when needed. The system designer must recognize several constraints for selecting a file organization. These constraints include the following: physical characteristics of secondary storage devices, available operating system and file management software, user requirement for storing and accessing data. Indexes. An index is a table that is used to find the location of record in a table. The indexes are created to speed up the searching process. An index may be created on primary key, secondary key, or foreign key. Integrity constraints. Data integrity refers to correctness and consistency of data. It is another form of database protection or security. Security involves protecting the data from unauthorized operations. Data integrity is concerned with the quality of data itself. It is maintained with the help of integrity constraints. The integrity constraints are the rules that are applied to database so that correct data can be entered into the database. So in today's lecture, we have discussed what is physical database design and components of physical database design. There are 5 components of physical database design. First is data volume and its usage. Second is data distribution strategy. Third one is file organization. Fourth is indexes, and fifth component of physical database design is integrity constraints. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.